Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting straight to wallpaper controls. Long press the home screen or open settings, then wallpaper. Once there, grant photos or gallery access so you can pick an image. Next, tap the wallpaper chooser to see recent photos, default images, and live options. Make sure to select whether you want the change on your home screen, lock screen, or both. That choice determines cropping and motion behavior, so decide now before you move on. You now pick the image and fine-tune its framing. Tap a photo, live photo, or a built-in wallpaper. Use pinch to zoom and drag gestures to crop and center the subject. This controls how the image fills different screen ratios. If your device offers perspective or motion, toggle it on for parallax or off for a stable look. Once done, preview both home and lock screens so you can see exactly how icons and widgets will interact with the background. You finish by tapping Set and choosing Home, Lock, or both to apply the wallpaper. Confirm when prompted and wait a moment for the system to update the background. If the image appears cropped oddly, re-enter the editor and adjust zoom or orientation. Small shifts matter. If the change doesn't stick, restart your device and try again, or pick a different file format, JPEG versus HEIC, because compatibility or a cached process often causes failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.